Hi, in this video we are going to see the e-commerce site for the bakery industry. So the top we can see the language selection. This is a model site. So from home, so the categories of the cakes we are having and the quick menu. So all thing can be customized based on the requirement. So next comes below the top selling categories, and so we can choose based on a requirement. So the related products will be listed here, and these two are the advertisement columns. So this can be customized with admin software. So we'll provide the admin software video also side by side. Below that you can see the featured products, best selling products. So every product can be customized to a best selling product or featured products based on the requirement. So that admin option has all the provisions. So below that, this is a full column for advertisement, and this is a footer column. Okay, so now this is the short view of the index page, that is the home page. So when we click a particular category, so the shopping options comes here, like we can filter the products based on the price and the category and weight. So you can choose other categories also. You can make a filter option check. So I'll just make a option here, changes, and check. So it shows based on the range what we checked. Next comes the eclectic category. So all these are customizable. So we have both the views, list view and the grid view. When I click on a particular product, so the full detailed view about the product will be listed here. On left hand side we have four picture options and the zoom option, and the picture here, picture name, product name, as well as the cost of that. This is the original cost and this is the discount price. So we can make the options in the admin, and we can show that the save amount here, the description, and the kg details. So what are the variants available? So when you click the eggless, the cost increases. Actually it's 350 rupees additional on eggless. So when it's 500 grams, when you go for 1 kg, it's 100 rupees additional. So we can add message on the cake also, and you can mention the preparation hours for each product. So when we create a product master, so you can provide all those options there. We'll show you the admin after providing this. So when you click add to cart, it adds to the cart at the top. This is a shortcut of the cart. Then it comes the long description, and what we saw here is a short description. So testimonial and the footer again. So if you want to go to the view cart, you can see the cart details and other details too. So you can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity. And if you want to proceed to checkout, you can click it. You can check out as guest, or you can register by yourself. So when you click register and continue, it will navigate you to the registration page, and you can register, or you can check out as guest. So if you are already registered, if you want to use your login, you have username password option. You can log in if you are the existing customer, or if you want to check out as guest, then you continue, and you have to provide your billing information and other details. Then the address details, email. So all the red asterisks shows that this is the mandatory field. The country, pin code, the state, and everything can be customizable. You can select from the list. So pin code, mobile number, and if you have any alternate mobile number provided, you can do it. So this region comes from the location where we are situated. So if the customers wants to pick up the particular delivery at the branch office, so we have Madurai as the particular region. There we have multiple shops, so the user can select from the particular shop. So once we select, we can make a pickup location. Otherwise, if the customers wants us to deliver the particular package to us, then you can select, you can remove this pickup option and select the delivery address. So if you want to copy the particular billing address as a delivery address, you can do the same way. And if you want the customers personalize, so in this particular cake, for example, the preparation hours is 2 hours. So at that time, based on the time, the slot can be chosen. So this can be selected, occasion can be selected. This is this will help us a reminder. So the particular customers has make a order today for this occasion, so we can be a reminder to the customer, and you can send them a reminder SMS for cake order, something like that. Then shipping method, so the fixed cost can be given, or based on the distance you can do it. And payment information, online payment or cash delivery. So you can check the order review and you can place the order. I have to enter the pin code also. So now order is placed successfully, and the customer will receive an email. And automatic, if you want the customer to send a SMS also, so you can do the same way, and the customer can see their account information similarly. So we have showed the overview of the particular e-commerce site. So we can see the admin side also now. Now first comes the dashboard. This is the admin side. When you see this one, so this is a quick total orders today, just now, and yesterday order, last 7 days order, this month order, last month order. So you can see the total order in a quick view way. So okay, so this is a dashboard. We can see the customer's birthday, paid not delivered, and order status, payment status, or processing, which is a processing, which is a paid, which is shipping, which is delivered status. So you can see details based on that. So based on region also, you can see the revenue and customers. So how much customers have been come, how much you can see the revenue details also from the dashboard as a shortcut. So first comes the master. This is tax master. So when you see the product, automatically it shows the tax amount which in a split up format. So we can create multiple tax details for GST, like 18%, 5%. So each product has its own tax, right? So next comes the region master. So if you have multiple regions or cities, you can add those cities here. So for example, if you are in Vijayawada, can create a region like that, and in that region how many branches you have, so you can mention that branch name. So if you have any area like MJ Nagar, so you can select the region and you can submit it. Same way if you have NTR Nagar. So when customers, at the time of I showed you the checkout page, so at that time when customer selects a particular region for pickup, so they can select the nearby branches, and they can pick up their deliveries. So next comes the category. So when you created, so we created lots of categories, automatically it showed in the menu. So home designer, photo cake, eggless cake, so whatever we added here was listed there, and the pictures also same way. These pictures was listed here in the home. So in home page we saw the top selling categories, so the categories pictures will be listed in this way. Okay, this is the picture option, designer cake, and this is a picture. Okay, so same way for subcategories, so we can create subcategories also. And UOM master, so not only for cake, if you want to provide chocolates or any flowers, so that the time you can mention the numbers or pieces or box, so mention the unit of measurement. When in case of cake, it comes in kgs. When it comes of chocolates, it comes in numbers or boxes. So you can create that kind of measurements here. Next comes the weight master. So when, as I said, you may provide 500 grams or 1 kg, 2 kg, so that can be provided here. So if you are, for example, if you provide any beverages that has 500 ml or 1 liter, so you can create ml and liters in UOM master and create 500 ml, 250 ml, same way here in the weight master. Next comes the product items. So the name of the products can be added here and the cost can be provided. So name, which under which category it comes. So the basic thing can be added here, egg price and eggless price. So when we selected the eggless concept, for example, I'll again show you. So when I click, it changes the cost. So since this birthday butterscotch cake has two prices, this is for 2 kg, what we selected was 1 kg, so the cost increases based on the selection. So now comes the main master for the product. So here there is an option to select. So we can select the name of the product, short description, HSN code, description, this is a long description, subcategory which it comes under, and the tax amount, and the start time and end time for the preparation, total number of hours. So this will be displayed here, preparation hours in. So this also will get calculated at the time of delivery mentioning. So whether it comes on new product or feature product, so whichever you tick it, it comes under that category. So if it comes on bestseller or something, you can make manually also. So category which it belongs to, under which category, whatever category we created in the master will be listed here. You can select from based on the requirement. Under which region, so you can make a selection of region also, so that you can tell the customers whether it is available or not when they make a selection of checkout. So weight basis, so how much price for egg and eggless, and what is the SKU. When you click another, so SKU will be generated automatically. Then you can upload until 4 images. That thumbnails will be displayed here. So the customer can select based on their requirement. So this is one. Next comes the banner master. So we have lots of banners here. Home banner, we have 5 banners for carousel purpose. So it slides over there. And advertisement, this is the full whatever we saw in the below. So this is the image, this is the header logo and footer logo, and advertisement, small size advertisement and medium size, and this is a medium image, this is a small image. So what we added here displays at the front. So this is a footer banner, this comes at the background, this footer banner comes at the background. So the advertisement columns can be modified at any time, as well as the logo and banners, slider banners, everything can be customized based on the requirement. Then the customer master, so you can manually add the customer details here. Then if you want to provide a discount, so for photo cake we showed that 50% discount, flat 50% discount, and time range can also be fixed so that the customers can see the countdown whenever they want. So now comes the order. So this is the order Ravi Kumar we have placed just now, and this is the address, and this is a round off amount pending. It is a pending status since we didn't process it. So now we can change the processing state. This is the order number, date, on order details. So email confirmation was sent, the date, then it's a pending state. So what was the payment mode? It was cash on delivery, we selected, and the customer information, this is shipping and billing information, and this is the picture of the particular product, and it's showing that it's available, the SKU, quantity, price without tax, this is of tax, it is the total amount. So the customer can see the total amount. Now we can see the price without tax, and it is a split up stage. So you can see the tax details like CGST and SGST, shipping cost, and total amount. So we can add on the details here, and you can provide as an invoice copy to the customers also. So it will be automatically sent to the mail, and if you want to send a hard copy also, you can do it. So the attachment will be sent by the mail. Now we can change this to a processing state. Order status updated successfully. So since it was a pending state, now it has been processed. It's in the processing stage. So once it's processed, you can make a shipping. So when you pack and you complete the shipping, it will be changed to shipping state. So everything will be updated in the dashboard itself. The customer can see, the admin can see the product details, product status, order details, everything. So whenever you change the order status, automatic notification by email as well as the SMS will be sent, so the customer can identify whether product has been dispatched or not. So otherwise, if you want to keep the product in the hold stage, so if you don't want to process this, so you want to keep in hold since of some delays, so you can do it in the same way. You can unhold at any time. So when you complete this as delivered, the product has been delivered, everything has been completed. So this is delivered and you can't change anything. Now the action can't be done. So because the product has been delivered, so you can generate print copies, and the format can be changed based on the requirement, and you can generate a number of copies, and you can make attachments to email also. So this is a quick video about the e-commerce site for bakery industry and admin software. Thank you.